Hi guys, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good, and if you're watching me for the very first time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Insta. So in today's video, I am going to talk about this face serum from Dermdog. It's their damage recovery face serum with kojic acid, and it's a 10 ml bottle, and this retails for 199 rupees. I have put all the purchase link in the description box. You can check them out. If I talk about its key ingredient, then it has kojic acid. Kojic acid prevents moisture loss from your skin. तो अगर आपकी skin बहुत ज़्यादा dry है, flaky है, dull है, तो kojic acid can be a very beneficial ingredient for your skin. दूसरा इंग्रेडिएंट इसमें है कैरेट सीड एक्सट्रैक्ट. कैरेट सीड एक्सट्रैक्ट इज अ नेचुरल सनस्क्रीन. अगर आपको सन टैन है या आपकी स्किन सन की वजह से डैमेज है, आपको किसी भी टाइप का पिगमेंटेशन है, देन कैरेट सीड ऑयल अगेन कैन बी अ बेनिफिशियल इंग्रेडिएंट फॉर योर स्किन. It has rose water which calm your skin. It has turmeric which prevent blemishes and dark spots from your skin, and it has avocado oil which hydrates your skin. This serum is for all those people who are having pigmentations, blemishes on their skin, or who are dealing with dark spots, or if you are having sunspot, or if you have suntan, then this serum is for you. This serum also claims to treat uneven skin tone. This serum is not a gender specific serum, so anyone can use this, and this serum is for all skin type. Dermdog also claims that this serum is free from paraben and sulfate. If I talk about texture of this serum, then this has a very lotion-like consistency. This serum does not have a typical serum-like consistency. It's actually a very lotiony. The serum absorbs in your skin very quickly, and your skin feel very hydrated, but you won't see any greasiness in your skin. Using this serum is really easy. What you have to do is you have to take 2 to 3 drops of this serum, and you have to massage on your face and neck on your cleansed face. Make sure you shake well before using this serum because it's a very concentrated serum. You can use this serum twice a day, morning and evening. And before trying out this product, do a patch test and then wait for 28 to 48 hours, and then you can continue using it if it don't show any reactions. This serum claims that it repairs skin damage caused by sun, it controls production of melanin, it evens skin tone, and it diminishes blemishes. It also reduces suntan from your skin, and if you have dull and dry patchy skin, then it claims to hydrate your skin. If I talk about the kind of result this serum has given me, then controlling melanin production is a very big claim. I don't think this serum has even a 1% of capability of controlling melanin production. Neither it works on blemishes, nor it treats uneven skin tone. Yes, it does hydrate your skin. The serum has capability of hydrating your skin. So if your skin is dull, dry, patchy, flaky, then you can definitely give it a try. And one thing which I don't like about this serum is that every time whenever you use this, you have to shake it well, otherwise you will only get watery drops. And if I talk about fragrance of this serum, then it has a very okay fragrance. It's not very overpowering, it's not very fruity, it's not very medicated. So overall I like the fragrance. And if you'll ask my recommendation, then I am definitely not going to recommend this serum to anyone because it does not fulfill the claim. Also, it is not worth spending even 199 rupees. So it does not meet the expectations what it claims. So there are much better hydrating serums are available in the market, so you can definitely go for them instead of buying this particular serum. This is it for today's video. If you have liked my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also like this video, share this video. Keep on watching, keep on supporting. Till then, take care and bye bye.